How to block user on Pinterest. To block a user on Pinterest, you could go to the profile page. First thing first, make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. If not, head over to your respective app store and update it to the latest version. And also, you need to keep in mind that you have a stable internet connections. As to begin with, what you need is simply go to the profile of the user that you want to block. Now, you cannot find the user on this section. You could also go ahead and use the search bar tool in the top of the page, and then you could go ahead and find the user. Once you find the user, you just want to tap on the user and then click on the name of the user, which is usually located at the left hand side corner of the screen. Click that out, and this is going to take you to the user's feed page. Tap the three dot icon and click on block. If you're sure about blocking the following user, click on block in order to confirm. Now do the same thing with the rest of the other user that you want to block, and that is the simplest thing you could do in order to block user on Pinterest. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.